Hey, mid-century modernaires, we did it. Finally made it to the finish line, though the finish line kept moving because as the things always go, a little crap just happened at the very end. But it is like 12:10 a.m. on nope, we're not that far ahead. March 6th. My God, if it took that long, things would be a little bit too crazy. On March 6th, so today's actually the day that the new buyers take possession of the property. So there were a couple of last things that we were finishing up with cleaning and whatnot for them. They stopped by earlier today and got to see it just before. But now that the floors had their final coat on them, we're walking on them with socks right now, but I can give you a final tour of what the house looks like. I got the professional photos a little bit earlier today, so I'll have those up on the MLS and whatnot so folks can see what this final product ended up looking like. But I'll take you on a tour of what everything looks like. And yes, I know I look exhausted, and there's good reason for that. My business stuff doesn't stop, and I really want to make sure this thing turned out great for my clients. So let's check it out. Okay, I didn't want to do too dramatic of a reveal, but there are the glorious floors, the new window in on the side of the fireplace, which wasn't there originally, but we put that in. The fireplace, the true courtyard door, which is the front door of this house, the way it sits. All the new double pane windows here. We have a front door with new cut-ins for it for windows. Lights over there. New door here. Yes, I know I covered the panel that I hate, but they're cutting in the dog door so it'll disappear. But those are all panels there. I'll give you a dramatic of this side. Love how it looks. And yes, there was a ceiling fan there originally, so they wanted to keep it, and we just rewired it for them for a new one. And the part I love, yes, those are the vents in the floor where the floor finishes drying. This is the kitchen. I think one of the favorite kitchens I've ever done. That is a cork floor, which was used a lot of the homes in the 1950s. Big Chill appliances. Backsplash, Sputnik light, gas range, and a matching microwave, which I think is great. It's hidden. And my nice little piece. It's been quite a journey for these buyers. I had to wait an extra week for me to get my craft together in this house as we experienced some fun last minute stuff. But everything turned out great. They were good sports. Those of you that know, and actually I had an old contractor that gave me a whole pile of these from a demo job. So those are copper handles from an old site. And those of you that know my old Cliff May, we did the same built-in pantry here, which I think just works out great. Big Chill appliances. This is a junction box cover since we rewired the house and new panel, which will be fun for just magnets for them to use. Again, this piece was here, so happy we were able to work it into the design. It wasn't original for Cliff May, but it was probably pretty soon thereafter is what we understand from the children of the second owner, which she was here in the 1970s when their parents purchased the house. Head on down the hallway, I did install a Nest system for them. Bathroom number 1. Pretty happy with it. Love these concrete tiles. They have kind of slight variation in color because they are unique as each one is. But there's bathroom 1. Here is bedroom 1. I don't think you ever all saw this completely done because I never really had a light in here. So I can focus on that. It's an old school retro looking fixture in here. I love this shot of the wood piece, the screen wall, and the front door. I didn't do the color on the windows yet. I kind of like how they look and left it up to these buyers to figure out if they wanted to stain them the same as the door or make them pop, what they wanted to do with them. Let's do this room first. I don't know if you can see this very well, yes. So these buyers, this is their first home and they've saved for forever over the last 20 some years. And now they've got a home of their own. That light, I think I mentioned this, and if I did, just ignore me. That light they've kept and saved, and I was able to put it in during the rehab of the home for them. In here, they got their washer and dryer in. We made this room for them. Tankless water heater. I love this part where this is actually open into their extra pieces, but this is a good sized room for just miscellaneous and kind of broom closet, but it's a good space in there. Heading into the master, yep, another copper handle for this, but this is a pretty friggin' large master walk-in. So, yes, I'm sure there'll be jokes of that coming out of the closet, and we've already done that, so check. Into the lovely pink bathroom. These are original toilets and sinks that I salvaged from folks that had them on Craigslist. The mirror is broken shipping, so I'm having new ones made for them, and they'll be here the next day or so, but until then they can just imagine they look pretty because there's no mirrors. I had actually had this completely replumbed because it broke at the very last minute. So there it is, it works, look at that. And then we get in here to the master. New windows, why did I turn that one too fast? New door to the courtyard. There was a ceiling fan in here and they wanted it, so we kept kind of a more modern looking one. Original sconce light in here, and looking down the hallway to the second bath. So I will walk through this one more time. I'm very, very happy with this one. By far one of my favorites that I've done. Again, this is my 5th one, so they do get easier apparently as I figure out what the heck I'm doing. Very happy with how this room came out. There's good storage space and laundry room in there. They've got the good sized bedrooms, the nest for the fancy pants, newfangled things. Love this screen wall, love how it projects the light. We'll see on the other side. Again, here's that kitchen. And you can kind of see that light projection of what it looks like. Actually, if I go around here, you can kind of see how cool it looks. Just a cool piece, and I really think it adds some great drama to the room. So, everyone always said I should have an own show, so I attempted to make my own show in a way, and let you just kind of see what the process is like in rehabbing a Cliff May. Like I said, this is my 5th Cliff May, and my 7th house overall. I've done a condo, and our primary residence currently over in Linwood, which has been a hard time we'd ever leave, so we're really enjoying that one a lot. Anyway, thank you all so much for following me on this journey. Like I said, we barely hobbled over this. It's technically past the deadline of midnight, but we are here. And their house is ready to be theirs and live in and add their own touches and what they want to do to it. But I think they're gonna really enjoy it. Thank you all for being part of the journey with me, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great night, Adventure Modernaires, or day, whenever the heck you're watching this video.